Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see very easy and wonderful recipe using milk. You need just two ingredients, milk and lemon juice, which is always available in every kitchen. That is homemade paneer, as it is fresh and free of any preservatives. On medium heat, add 1 liter milk to a heavy bottom pan. Let the milk come to a boil. Stir often so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the milk has come to a boil, turn off the heat. Now start adding lemon juice little at a time. Then gently stir the milk until you see the entire milk begins to curdle. You should see clear whey at this stage. Meanwhile, place a strainer or a large bowl to hold the whey. Now use a muslin cloth like this. Gently pour the curdled milk into the muslin cloth. Bring the ends of muslin cloth together and squeeze as much water as you can. Rinse the paneer with cold water so that it doesn't have any taste of lemon juice. Again twist the cloth and squeeze the excess water. Or you can hang it in the sink tap like this and leave it undisturbed for 1 to 2 hours. Now you can see all the water is squeezed well. Set it in a box and flatten it using a spoon. So that the paneer sets and becomes firm. Our homemade paneer is ready. Now we'll cut it into cubes. You can cube it, fry it, crumble it and enjoy in dishes of your choice. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye.